Welcome to adding someone else to the Dental Access portal. Note: any patients portrayed are fictitious. No identification with actual persons, living or deceased, is intended, nor should be inferred. Language can be switched between English and Cymraeg. To apply for someone else, select Someone Else. This might be a friend, neighbour, or someone you care for. At the end of the application, you can add other people. Note: by selecting someone else, you will not be added to the Dental Access portal. Select Continue. This service is to add patients to the Dental Access portal, where they will wait on a list for an available dentist. It is not for emergency treatment. To be added to the Dental Access portal, the person you are applying for must not have received routine NHS dental treatment in Wales in the past 4 years. They must live at an address in Wales for more than 6 months of the year or attend a Welsh GP practice. You will need to provide their name, their address and postcode, their date of birth, their NHS number, information on how you would like us to contact you on their behalf, the name of their GP practice, an email address or mobile phone number if you do not have an email address. You can find their NHS number on most documents or letters sent by the NHS. You can also find it on the NHS Wales app or by clicking on the How to Find Out Your NHS Number link. Select Start Application. An emergency treatment message displays. Note: this service is not available for dental treatment in an emergency. Dental emergencies need to be assessed and treated quickly. Using the NHS 111 Wales online link or by phoning 111 may help you find an out-of-hours dental service near you. If this isn't an emergency, select They don't need emergency dental treatment. Select to add your first name, last name, and then continue. If you choose to receive communication by post, this is the address we will use. Select to add your address line 1, address line 2 is optional, and town or city. Choose a county from the list. Add a postcode, then select Continue. Your email address can be used to log back in and check the application status. It will also let us contact you about this application. Enter your email address. If you do not have an email address, leave this box empty. Select I do not have an email address for more information. Select Continue. Enter your mobile number. Select I would like to be contacted via landline for communication purposes to also add a landline number. Note: if you haven't provided an email address or mobile phone number, you can contact your health board to manage your details. Select Continue. Select how you would like to be contacted. Select Continue. Select your preferred language for communication, then select Continue. Check the details you have entered are correct. These are your contact details. Select Change next to any item to return to that screen to edit your details. Select Continue. Select to show who you are applying for. Select Continue. Add the first name and last name of the person you are applying for. Select Continue. Select Yes if the person you are applying for needs their dentist to provide wheelchair access, ramps, handrails, support to transfer or hoists. Select Yes if the person you are applying for needs their dentist to provide adjustable or bariatric dentist chairs. Select Yes if the person you are applying for needs their dentist to provide additional support if they suffer from severe phobia or anxieties. Select Yes if the person you are applying for needs their dentist to provide mental health support or support if they have learning disabilities. If you select Yes, you will be contacted to find out more about these requirements. Select No if the person you are applying for does not have any special requirements. Select Continue. Select Yes if they have received routine NHS dental treatment in Wales within the last 4 years, that is, since the date shown. Note, they are not eligible for this service if they have had routine NHS dental treatment in Wales within the last 4 years. You should contact the dental practice they last visited and request an appointment. Select No if they have not. Select Continue. Select No if they do not live in Wales for at least 6 months of every year. Then select Continue. Note, they will need to register using a Wales-based address or be registered with a GP in Wales to use the Dental Access portal. If they have a Wales-based GP practice, go back and select Yes, then select Continue. Select Yes if they live in Wales for at least 6 months every year or have just moved to Wales and they now have the permanent Wales-based address. Then select Continue. Select Yes if they are studying in Wales and have updated their address and GP practice to where they live while studying. Then select Continue. Add their date of birth, then select Continue. Select Yes and enter their NHS number if you know it, otherwise select No. If No is selected, you're provided with a Find Your NHS Number link which opens in a new tab. You may also find their NHS number from a letter from the NHS like a prescription or appointment letter, or from the NHS Wales app if they have it. When you have found their NHS number, close this tab to return to the Dental Access portal. Select Yes and enter their NHS number. Select Continue. If your address is the same as the person you are applying for, select the tick box and the address will auto-populate. Then select Continue. If not, complete address line 1, address line 2. Address line 2 is optional. Add a town or city and a county from the list. Add a postcode, then select Continue. Select the arrow to choose their GP practice from a list. Select I can't see their GP practice and then see the full list of Wales-based GP practices to include all GPs in Wales. When the list is selected again, All GPs will be included. Drag the scroll bar or click on the up and down arrows to see the full list. Select the GP practice and then select Continue. Check the details you have entered. Select Change next to anything that needs changing. This will take you back to that screen to make amendments. Select Continue. This screen displays once the details have been checked against the NHS number provided. Select Continue. Select their preferred language for treatment. Then select Continue. How far can they travel in miles to reach a dentist? Enter a figure and select Continue. Do they depend on public transport? Select either Yes or No, then select Continue. Check the details you entered are correct before you submit them and select Change if needed. If you need to make a change, you return to that screen to make your amendments, then select Continue. Select Add them to the Dental Access portal. The person you are applying for has been added to the Dental Access portal. You will be sent a confirmation email. Use the email address or phone number you provided to log back into the Dental Access portal to manage details and check on progress. Thank you.